Hi, I want to talk to you briefly about how executive team coaching can really help your organisation achieve its goals. If you're in a senior team or you're leading a team, you will be wanting to keep delivering excellent results year on year, and that can be a challenge. Teams come in different shapes and sizes, whether they're new and recently formed or well established but going through some changes. No team ever stays the same, and each team is unique. So one of the advantages of team coaching is we start with where your team is at the moment. We look at their challenges, we look at their successes, and we try and understand how they got to where they are and what their next steps might be. Because we're interested in building and binding your team to your organization's goals using their expertise, their knowledge, and their potential. The benefits of team coaching are really well recorded. It improves communication, it helps dialogue between teams, and it can create an innovative and fresh way to come at what might be a particular set of issues. So in team coaching, we might work with one particular team that's facing a series of challenges, or we might be looking at a layer within the organisation, such as the senior team, or we might be looking at a new business area. Whatever the team that's involved, we're keen to get the collective understanding and raised awareness of how we see the different aspects of the situation presented. It is well documented that team coaching improves communication, productivity, enhances team interaction, and delivers results for you and your team. We've all been part of team events where we're happy with large parts of the structure, but when it comes to the role play, it can really divide opinion. Some people will throw themselves into the process, and some will want to actually hold back because they feel uncomfortable. They've come to work to use their skills, and now they're having to perform. So the first thing we do in Cumulus Coaching is make sure that everyone is comfortable and agree the way forward. Secondly, we're focusing on the organisation's goals. What are we here to deliver? Do people really understand with clarity those goals, the nature of the detail, and also importantly, the values, not just what we do, but how we do it? Quite often these are expressed in standard corporate documents, but not really debated on a deeper level. And this is where people can come together and start seeing the organisation through a slightly different lens. No one sees their role in the same way. And whilst we work to job descriptions, the way in which we enact our role can make a very big difference to achieving the results that we're looking for. Next, we look at the data that's available for the teams. What do they know about their organisation? What does the data tell them? What are the trends? Is it changing? And why is that? The why is one of the most important questions, because in executive team coaching, yes, we do analysis, yes, we communicate, but above all, we're curious. We want people to be asking questions of each other that enhance their awareness and understanding of how the organisation achieves its goals. And thirdly, team coaching is a collective process where everyone is fully present and takes part in that process of unearthing, being curious, and getting to grips with what's needed to move forward. And we need creativity and diversity of thought. This isn't about following what's always happened. This is about opening up new windows. We use a formal assessment structure so that the information that is being unearthed and shared is presented back in such a way that people feel they get a mirror on the organisation. And this mirror reflects not only themselves, but themselves within the wider group. It's a safe and structured way to get some of the answers that people really want, and also to make them feel that they are actually part of that process that's moving the organisation forward. It's not. So let me leave you with this thought. Executive coaching is about opening up and releasing potential. You may know your teams well, and you will be aware that your people are your best resource, but you may not know quite what they're capable of.